Hello students, class 6. This is your chapter 3rd, computer network. In this chapter we will learn about what is computer network. First, first thing is what is network? Network can be defined as an arrangement of interconnected peoples or things. What is computer network? Today, devices such as smartphone, laptops, and personal computers are commonly used to connecting across a network. Each computer in a computer network is called a node. And what is computer network? Computer network is a set of computers that are connected to each other and share resources. Second topic is type of computer network. There are three types of computer network: LAN, MAN and WAN. First is LAN, local area network. All the computers are connected each other in a small spaces known as local area network. For example, home and restaurant. Second is metropolitan area network. MAN is made up of two or more LANs. For example, colleges, factories, schools and airport it is used. Second topic is wide area network. A wide area network connects computer across very geographical areas. For example, states, countries and continent. Second topic is network topology. Network topology is a way to nodes a computer networks are organized, and it represents the connection between different systems in the network. First topic is point to point. Point to point topology is the simplest topology that connects two nodes with a common link. Second is bus topology, a single cable network, all the computers are connected in the network. Second is ring topologies, all the computers are connected in a single cable in a circular form. Star topology. Star topology is a network where different computers are connected to central computer, and central device act as a server and other peripheral device as a client. Tree topology. Tree topology is a combination of both star and bus topology. Mesh topology. In a mesh topology, all the computers are interconnected. Hybrid topology. Hybrid topology use two or more different networks topology. Second topic is modes of transmission in computer network. Telecommunication is exchange of information between devices, either wire or wireless signals. First topic is cables. A wire is a metal string that carries signals. Second is twisted pair cables. A twisted pair cables consist of wires twisted together and closed in a covering. Second topic is coaxial cables are used. Two type of copper wires built in avoid signals from getting mixed and thus providing more immunity against noise. Fiber optic cables sends the information coded in the beam of light and down a glass and plastic pipe. Second topic is radio waves, all us familiar in terms of Wi-Fi and associated with the presence of absence connection to the network. And network is a global wide area network to enables computer to